Good morning and namaskar. I am Gagan Kapoor and I'm a marketing consultant at Go for Growth Consulting. I help business owners stand out of the competition so that they can differentiate themselves better and achieve their marketing success faster. I have 21 years of experience in marketing, and in the past 8 years of my training career, I have trained more than 39,000 business owners. I'm also a United Nations registered empaneled marketing consultant. Today, I want to talk about what all do I take care in my consulting assignments. A lot of people have asked me this question, so I thought, why not let me explain you this way. Before I actually talk about what all the things which I cover in marketing consulting, let me tell you what are the kind of challenges people are facing currently. Many of the business owners are facing challenge with a lot of competition. They are literally fighting a lot of price wars. In the past few years, the digital scenario has changed quite a bit, and they do not know how do they really move ahead with new methods of marketing. Lead generation is a constant problem for them, and because of that, they are not able to have enough pipeline of business for them. Along with that, customer service is also a constant issue with all these people. And what happens as a result? The implications of all these challenges are they are not able to really set the path of growth. They stagnate and they are not able to go ahead beyond a point. Many of these business owners start well, but because of the lack of proper knowledge are not able to go ahead. What I do is help the business owners get to this path of growth. So this is what I do in my marketing consulting. I work on 5 critical parts of your marketing strategy. The first one is pre-plan, assessment, and looking at your communication, your positioning, and all the factors. In this, first of all, I do a general assessment of where you stand currently in the market. What is your positioning? What are the kind of unique challenges which you are facing? Are there any specific segments which you need improvement? What is your pricing strategy? All these factors is what I look at. The second phase is, after understanding these challenges, I look at building your marketing plan. I create a customized marketing plan for your company. Under this, we look at many factors. We look at your current prospects and the way you need to plan your business ahead. We look at your entire product mix, how you are categorizing them in each of your segments. What are your current target segments? And within these target segments, have you specified very clearly what kind of business you do with each kind of target segment? And then we map your products vis-a-vis your target segments. After having mapped these segments, we look at and create a unique communication strategy for you. We look at the price points, we look at your positioning, and we create a specific communication around all your target segments. And yes, all these communications are separate communications. Once we have achieved all this plan, this strategy, I also look at what are the 3 critical aspects in your business. How do you really attract more customers so that you can make them aware about your business and they turn into leads? The next strategy I work on, how do leads convert to sales? So I look at your lead capturing strategy, your lead confidence building strategy, and lead conversion strategy. After this, once the lead is converted, we look at your customer strategy, your customer engagement strategy. Are you delivering a world-class service to your customers? Along with that, are these customers buying from you more and more often? And the third thing is, are these customers giving you more referrals? I look at all the 3 parts in any engagement, and I also look at the affiliate marketing strategy. Who are the affiliates who you can tie up with and look at getting more business? These are some of the segments I work with on your business. The third step, after building this entire marketing plan, the third step I look at is your communication plan, your marketing material and all that. Under this, I look at all your websites, your brochures, your communication material, your lookbooks, your product catalogs, how you are reaching out to people. When you meet senior people, what do you talk? I look at each and every strategy in your business. the way you pitch your business. And I also help you coordinate with the vendors and the suppliers who come on board in helping us do all of these things. After building a unique communication strategy and an entire collaterals and communication plan for you, I look at its implementation in the market. We start pitching the customers throughout. So whether it has to be reflected into digital marketing, or it has to go through websites, or it has to go through email marketing, I look at all the facets of marketing. Even if you're participating in a conference or a trade show, I look at all these strategies and make sure that every time you get and start getting more and more referrals. So I look at implementation strategy around this. Once we have implemented, of course, not all strategies go right. There could be some things which could go haywire, or the results are not there as expected. So I also look at calibrating these strategies so that we get them onto the path. These are the 5 things what I take care primarily in the consulting. So I do a pre-plan assessment. After that, I build a marketing plan. Along with that, I look at your entire communication plan. The 4th thing I do is implementation. And the last bit what I take care is its calibration. These are the 5-step marketing process is what I do take care. And what do you get as a result of this? You will be able to present yourself super impactfully in front of all kinds of customers. You will have a unique positioning for every single target segment. Your brand perception will be much, much better. And what I've seen with our past customers is that on an average, there is a 73% average increase in the total number of leads which are collected, because we do activate a lot of marketing channels for you, and the lead collection and further responses are much, much better. In fact, the level 2 conversations which you get after this has a tremendous increase of about 190%. That is what we, through this program, are capable of doing. Along with that, I also help you prepare your team so that they can learn it along with me. And while I leave after my consulting assignment, your team is self-sufficient to take care of the entire process. So if you think you have a challenge, and if you think you are looking at a marketing solution, connect with me and I'll be more than happy to discuss your unique plan with you. I am Gagan Kapoor and I'm a marketing consultant from Go for Growth Consulting. Thank you.